Do you guys want some? There's a lot here. Oh.
Any chance you could not sit right exactly behind me?
Oh, I'm sorry. Too close?
Oh, that thing.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Excuse me, would you like some bread? Would you like some bread?
No, thank you.
All right, no problem. Can't study without a good snack. So. Oh, see ya. Ouch. Ouch.
Alright, before we go, we want to tell you guys about a little surprise. From September 28th through October 11th, we are going to be going to Europe with our friends
iSexy
and
DJ from Public Prank
and
Keith and Paige
and
our laddies.
we're going to be visiting Norway, Germany, Switzerland, Amsterdam, and London. And each of those cities we're going to be doing pranks and meetups.
And vlogs.
And vlogs every day on our second channel. So if you're not subscribed to our second channel,
Come on over and subscribe, you're missing out.
link in the description will take you over to the website where you can get all the details for the RSVP for the meetups and just what we're going to be doing. So we'd love to see some of you guys, and we'll see you over on our second channel.
Peace.